Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can share your Strava activity on Instagram. Now first we need to add an activity. So here you have a lot of applications that you can with them like link them with your phone and it will calculate your activity automatically. For now I'm just going to do manual and I'm going to be, for example, here distance, let's say 3 1 hour elevation, let's say meters, I don't know, 100 run. Let's keep it as it is and let's click on create. So once I have done that, the activity will be in here, and as you can see we can actually share it. Now unfortunately the share button doesn't take you to Instagram, but in fact it takes you to Facebook, but that doesn't really isn't very bad since Facebook is Meta and Meta connects your accounts automatically together. So in case on Instagram, let me just open here the window, Instagram. As you can see, in case you are logging into Instagram with Facebook, which is normally what the majority of people are doing, then in that case you will be able to share it on Facebook and it will be shared automatically on your Instagram account as well. So this is the only way that with it you can share the activity. Otherwise, you can just simply post it normally as you do with any post on Instagram. So this is how you can do it. First, add the activity, go to your activities, go to share right here, and choose the Facebook in case you are logging into Instagram using Facebook. It is very simple and short and clear in that. So thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions about Strava or anything related to that, make sure to leave it down below. See you guys in the next tutorial.